starting with the upcoming iOS 14.5, Apple is apparently going to proxy all safe browsing sessions in Safari through its own servers instead of Google's in order to protect user data from Google. Quoting MacRumors. Safari on iOS and iPadOS includes a built-in feature called Fraudulent Website Warning. As Apple describes it, having the feature enabled will prompt Safari to warn users if they're visiting a suspected phishing website, or in other words, a website attempting to steal your data, such as username, passwords, and other information. In order to provide this feature, Apple relies on Google's Safe Browsing, a database/block list of websites crawled by Google of websites that it deems to be suspected phishing or scam sites. In practice, Google sends Safari a list of hash prefixes of URLs that it determines to be malicious or phishing, and then Safari then checks the website you're trying to visit against the list from Google. Any match in hashed prefixes will cause Safari to request the full URL link from Google, and by using the hash prefix, Google never sees the website URL you're trying to go to. While Google doesn't know which specific URL you're trying to visit, it may collect your IP address during its interaction with Safari. Now on iPad OS and iOS 14.5, that's no longer the case. As confirmed by the head of engineering for WebKit, Apple will now proxy Google's Safe Browsing feature through its own servers instead of Google's as a way to, quote, limit the risk of information leak, end quote.